Good evening, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Very good evening. Good evening all of you. Right now, Balu, Narendra, Swati, Kambampati, Rekha, Vamshi Krishna Yadav, Vaishnavi, Avinash, Kirtana. Right, Shamala. Okay, Sudha, Kirtana, Sudha. Good evening, good evening. So tomorrow we have the class by 8:30 to 9:30 because tomorrow I have the special appointment. I have personal work, so tomorrow we have one hour session itself only, so that will be continued in between 8:30 to 9:30. 8:30 to 9:30. So tomorrow schedule there is a change, and day after tomorrow onwards, so there is no change in the timetable. That is actually time schedule will be 9:30 to 11:20 and evening 4:30 to even 5:30. So that will be continued. Okay, right. Anurag, Dheeraj, Shamala, Balu, Vaishnavi. Right. Still joining? So let us wait for 2 minutes. Vaishnavi Rati Devi, after a long time. Where had you been? What about Narla? What about Dishwank, Sumant, Narendra, Vaibhav, Vinayaki? Right. Avinash, Vamshi Krishna Yadav. So now in the previous class on permutations we have discussed some concepts. Today we do problems. So okay. Now any difficult problems are there only we can discuss concepts also. Concepts and also shortcuts and problems we shall discuss during our Eamcet classes. Right. Sumant. Okay, joined. Right. Okay. Balu. Okay. Okay, what happened, Vaishnavi? Right. Vamshi Krishna, Swati Singh, Vikhar Ahmad. Right. Okay, let us start now. Let us start the problems now. First problem of the day on permutations. If 8PR equals to 8PR plus 1, then R is, the value of R is. This is the question. Okay, Murthy, Lavanya. First option 8, second option 6, third option 5, fourth option 7. So this is the question. Right. So let us do it now. 8pr equals to 8pr plus 1. Then we need to find out r. So now this can be written like this, as given 8pr equals to 8pr plus 1. Take 8pr this side. This we can write 8pr plus 1 upon 8pr equals to 1. We have one shortcut formula. Shortcut. Any late viewers who have not present for my previous sessions, you can note down this shortcut. What is the shortcut means? NPR plus 1 upon NPR equals to simply n minus r. So that means this here we can write 8 minus r equals to 1. So we get now 8 minus r equals to 1. R equals to 8 minus 1. So that is 7. So fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Okay, now let us move to the second problem. Second problem. If NP7 equals to 42 times NP5, 42 times NP5, then N is equal to first option 5, second option 7, third option 12, fourth option 9. Okay, this is the question. Here NP7 is equal to 42 times NP5, then value of n we need to find out. Now the solution. NP7 means 7 empty places or blank places are filled with n objects without repetition. So that can be done. First place n, second place n minus 1, third n minus 2, fourth place n minus 3, fifth place n minus 4, sixth place n minus 5, seventh place n minus 6 is equal to 42 times NP5. NP5 means 5 blank places are filled with n objects, n different objects. N first place, second place n minus 1, third is n minus 2, fourth is n minus 3, fifth is n minus 4. Now what will happen now? This n minus 1 into n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and n into up to n minus 4 also. This will be gets cancelled. So now we have here very interesting n minus 5 into n minus 6 equals to 42. Here the 42 can be factorized as a product of two consecutive numbers, 7 6 ja. That means this n minus 5 into n minus 6 equals to, you can write as 7 into 6. That means very interesting factor, either n minus 5 equal to 7 or n minus 6 equals to 6. We get n value. Therefore here you see n minus 5 equals to 7. N equals to 7 plus 5. So answer is 12. Third option is the right option. Otherwise you can verify the substitution also. See, 5 minus 5 0 does not exist. 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. No. 12 minus 5 7. 12 minus 6 is 6. 7 into 6 42. So third option is the right option. Even by using substitution method also we can do this problem. I hope you might have understood this one. Now let us go for next problem. Third problem. Next. If 12PR equals to 11P6 plus 6 times 11P5, then R equals to first option 6, second option is 5, third option is 7, fourth option is 8. Okay, we know that from the concept this NPR can be written as, so without including particular object, the number of ways of permutations without including particular object, that can be done n-1 PR, plus including particular object. Including particular object means that particular object can be placed R ways. Now the remaining elements are n-1 and places is r-1, that is n-1 p r-1. Here now very interesting factor, put here n is equal to 12 and here see r value is 6, both sides. What do you get now here? 12p6 equals to 11p6 plus 6 times 11p 6 minus 1, 5. So that means actually here you remember the 12CPR is equated to 12P6. Now what is the value of R? Yes, obviously R value will be 6. R is equal to 6. That means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Next, fourth problem. Fourth problem. If NP4 equals to 1680, then N is first option 7, second option 10, third option 8, fourth option 9. Right. Now see, the NP4 can be written as like this. 4 places are being filled with n objects without repetition. That can be done n, n-1, n-2, n-3. Next, the 1680 should be written as the product of the 4 consecutive numbers. So that can be done like this now. See, 10 into 168 we can write first. Next 5 into 2. This is 8 into 21. Next 5 into 2 into 8 into 7 into 3. See the combination. This is 6. 2 into 3, 6. This can be written 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. So 8, 7, 6, 5. That means now n is equal to 8. Therefore n equals to 8. Third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. So now the fifth question. Fifth one. The number of different signals, different signals that can be made by 5 flags from 8 flags. Total there are 8 flags. 8 flags of different colors, not same color, of different colors. Different colors is first option 6720, second option is 8C5, third option is 8 to the power of 5, fourth option 5 to the power of 8. So different signals means without repetition only, that indicates, that means third option, fourth option will be eliminated. Even it's not 8C5, first option will be the right option. But let us do it now. See here 5 flags, the number of different signals that can be made by 5 flags, 8 flags. From 8 flags we need to arrange the 5 flags. Understood now? So that means that can be done like this now. So 5 flags means combinations we can take like this. First 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ways, 5 different ways you need to arrange. That means for first chance here 8 ways you can arrange. This is 7 ways. This is 6 ways. This is 5 ways. This is 4 ways. So this can be written as solution. Solution we can write number of ways is equal to 8p5. That is nothing but 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. See, that is actually how much? 56 into 120. Now 120 multiplied by 56. 0, 720, 0, 600. That is 6720. 6720 ways you can find out. First option is the right option. Sixth question. But question will be very lengthy, answer will be very easy. Without paper pen we can do it. A man has 4 sons. He blessed with 4 sons, and there are 5 schools. 5 schools within his reach. Within his reach. Within his reach. The number of ways he can admit his sons in the schools so that, I didn't give the condition, so that no two of them will be in the same school. Is First option 5C4, second option 5P4, third option 5 to the power of 4, fourth option 4 to the power of 5. Okay. So that means a man has 4 sons. There are 5 schools within reach. The number of ways he can admit his sons in the schools so that no 2 of them will be in the same school. That means without repetition. That means actually here we have the chance of actually 4 sons. Here we have 4 sons. First son, second son, third son, fourth son. That means first son, second son, third son, fourth son. There is a chance of actually the first son may be joined 5 schools. Already one son has been joined. Now 4 sons are there. For second school 4 ways. For third school 3 ways. This is 2 ways. So this is nothing but number of ways is equal to 5P4, or you can write 5P4 equals to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. That is 20 into 6, 120 ways. 120 is also correct answer, or even 5P4 is also correct answer. Understood now? So that means 4 schools, 5 schools we have 4 sons. The first son chance of joining in actually 5 schools, but only no 2 of them will be in the same school. That means for second school chance for 4, for third school 3, next fourth school 2 chances. That you need to remember. Next now. Have you understood? Have you understood? No doubt? Okay. The number of 3-digit numbers. The number of 3-digit numbers can be formed using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If condition is there, no digit is to be used more than once. In each number is. That means without repetition condition. Without repetition. So that means actually this is the first starting, the basic exercise we are doing now. After that level 2 problems we will do it. First you need to understand the concept. So now the first option is 60. Second option is 56. Third option is 96. Fourth option is 80. So that means with the help of these 5 digits we need to form 3-digit numbers. So that means 3-digit numbers means we have 3 empty places. This is unit place, 10th place, 100th place. So this can be filled 5 ways, 4 ways, this is 3 ways. Very simple. 60, answer is 60. Directly without doing anything. By simply by visualization we can write the 60 answer, but let us write it now. But now number of 3-digit numbers is equal to 3-digit numbers. So without repetition is 5p3, that is 5 into 4 into 3, that is 60. We get 60 numbers. Okay, understood now all of you? No, not 5 factorial by 2 factorial. That's absolutely wrong. Repetition is not there. All are different. 5 into 4 into 3. Right. Next, eighth one. Eighth problem. Using the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, not more than once, in any number, the number of 5-digit numbers, that can be formed, is first option 15, second option 24, third option is 120, fourth option is 96. This is the question. So now using the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, not more than once. This is the keyword for the without repetition. Any number, the number of 5-digit numbers we need to make. So first let us write 5-digit numbers. So 5-digit numbers means we have 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways. So this can be filled 5 ways, 4 ways, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is actually 5 factorial. So that means actually here the number of 5-digit numbers is equal to, we can write 5 factorial. So which is equal to 120. Okay, this is 5p5 or 5 factorial, we can write it. But here is a one condition we should remember. What is the condition means? In out of 5, there is a chance of getting 0 in the first place. 0 will be in the first place. If 0 is the occupies first place, then these numbers are not treated as 5-digit numbers. They are 4-digit numbers. That means out of 120, the numbers which begin with 0 will be there. They need to be subtracted. Keep 0, and next how many numbers are there? 4 numbers. So this can be filled 4 ways. This is 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 ways. That means number of 5-digit numbers begin with 0 equal to 4 factorial, that is, this is fixed. Okay, 0 is equal to 24. That means out of 120, 24 5-digit numbers are there beginning with 0. They are not 5-digit, 4-digit. We need to subtract. Therefore, required number of 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers is equal to 120 minus 24. So answer is 96. That's why fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Understood all of you? Don't write direct answer 120 is not correct. It's incorrect. So 96. That's why it is nothing but directly we can say that 5 factorial minus 4 factorial. Direct answer. Direct answer means shortcut you can remember like this. Because total 5, this can be written without repetition 5 factorial. If 0 first place 4 factorial. 5 factorial minus 4 factorial. 5 digit numbers is equal to. Right. So now ninth one. Why we are subtracting means if 0 in the first place, what will happen? That is not treated as the 5-digit number. That is treated 4-digit numbers only. Out of 120, even 4-digit numbers are there. 24 4-digit numbers. Those we need to subtract. That's all. Number of permutations. Number of permutations that can be made using all the letters of the word matrix is the number of permutations that can be made using all the letters of the word matrix is. First option 120, second option is 240, third option 480, fourth option 720. So matrix here, see, number of letters write down. Number of letters is equal to, you count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means we need to arrange, unless it is mentioned, you remember, unless it is mentioned, it is without repetition only you need to. With repetition means with repetition you need to take. That means 6 places need to be filled with 6 objects, 6 letters. That can be done. Required number of permutations, required number of arrangements or permutations equals to 6p6. That is 6 factorial. 6 factorial means 720 is the right answer. That means 6 into 5 factorial. Okay, 10th one. Okay, Suma, correct. Absolutely. Kuttur Pushpa, correct. Sudha, Lavanya, Karthik, wonderful. Avinash, right. Swati, Manjula, Arlata, new, right. Number of 4-letter permutations number of 4-letter permutations that that can be made from the letters of the word, triangle, is first option 8p4, second option 8c4, third option 8 factorial upon 4 factorial, fourth option 8 factorial times 4 factorial. Right. Here first, number of letters in the word, number of letters. You count it now. Number of letters is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of letters is 8. But we need to arrange 4 letter arrangements. 4 letter arrangements means 4 places, 4 blank places. 4 blank places we need to fill without repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 8 ways, this is 7 ways, this is 6 ways, this is 5 ways. Or this can be written 8p5. So that means you can write now, therefore number of 4 letter permutations. This is 8p4. 4 letter permutations equal to 8p4. Or we can write 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. This is 56 multiplied by 30. This is 16. 80 is also correct answer. Right, 10th one is completed. Now 11th question. Number of arrangements okay, I need to check the option also. Yes, this we need to change option. Yes, 8 factorial by 5 factorial, right? Yes, 8 factorial by 4 factorial is correct. Narla, good observation. Number of arrangements that can be formed by taking all the letters of the word Tenali. You can take any word, but without repetition. The word should not be repeated in that one. Right. The word Tenali that are to begin with T. Begin with T is first option 720, second option 5040, third option 120, fourth option 270. Begin with T means already the first place always should fix it with T, that's all. Then fix T in the first place, the remaining places are to be filled with remaining letters. That we need to do it. So that means first of all, blank places method, empty places method. First write down solution. Number of letters is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place. Begin with T. That means fix T in the first place. Fixed. T is fixed. That's all. That means now remaining places count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining letters. Fix T in the first place. T in the first place. Now remaining 6 minus 1, 5 letters can be arranged in remaining leftover places. Remaining 5 places in 5p5 equal to 5 factorial ways, equal to 120 ways. This answer. So third option is the right option. Venkata Raghuram, correct. Yes, 5 factorial ways. Keeping T in the unit place, the 5 places are to be filled with 5 things. That can be done 5p5. 5 factorial is 120. So now the 12th one. 12th. Thank you. The letters of the word article the letters of the word article are taken 4 at a time. 4 you have taken 4 at a time. 4 at a time out of the letters of the word and arranged in all possible ways. In all possible ways. In all possible ways. The number of arrangements containing A is containing A is? First option 60, second option 120, third option 240, fourth option 480. Right. The letters of the word article are taken 4 at a time, arranged in possible ways, the number of arrangements containing A. That means each and every letter should contain A. Contain A means it may be in the first place, it may be second place, it may be third place, it may be fourth place. So that means actually 4 letter words, 4 places you take it now. 1, 2, 3, 4 places. 4 places means A may come in the first place. That means first place, second place, third place, fourth place. That means A can be arranged in 4 ways. First, solution write down. Number of letters, first write down. Number of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First arrange the A. A can be arranged. A can be arranged in 4 ways. That means out of 4, after having been arranged A, now we are left with 3 and left with 6 letters. Therefore, now 6 letters are to be arranged in 3 places, in 6p3 ways. 6p3, 6 into 5 into 4, 120. Therefore, the first work has been done 4 ways, second work 120 ways. The number of ways is equal to 4 into 120. That is 480. So, fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Right. Otherwise, you can do shortcut here. You remember the shortcut. What is the shortcut means? Shortcut. So, always including one object, the number of arrangements. Including one arrangement means actually here that can be done R ways, R places, and next n minus 1 PR. Here see R value is equal to 4, n is actually here see n is equal to 7, R is equal to 4 ways. So that means 4 into 7 minus 1 is 6, 6p4. See the 6p4. 6p, sorry, this is R value. R minus 1, sorry, R minus 1. This is 6p3. So 4 into 120. This is 480. Already I have discussed this shortcut. Okay. With the help of this shortcut also we can solve this problem. So all of you understood? Suma, Swati, Prasanna, Vamshi. Okay. Sai, Avinash. Okay, 13th question. You are ready with 13th question. 13th question. I explained the shortcut. R times n minus 1 PR minus 1. Okay. So now you need to give the feedback after completion of the session. Okay. Right. Thank you. So 13th. This will be a very interesting problem. The number of the number of arrangements which can be made out of the letters of the word Kanpur, IIT Kanpur without changing relative order that means positions of vowels and consonants consonants is okay. The 42 must be written as a product of the consecutive numbers. Difference must be 1 in the factors. That's why we need to take 7 into 6. Okay. First option is 48. Second option is 54. Third option is 36. Fourth option is 18. This is the question. Right. The number of arrangements which can be made out of the letters of the word Kanpur without changing the relative order of vowels and consonants. That means vowels must be in the vowels place we need to arrange. Consonants in their respective positions we need to arrange the consonants. So first number of letters write down. Number of letters. How many number of letters are there in the word Kanpur? 6. Vowels write down. What are the vowels? Vowels are A, U, A comma U. 2 vowels. Consonants. What are the consonants now? K, comma, N, comma, P, comma, R. 4 consonants. Okay, first now take the 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So write down Kanpur, K-A-N-P-U-R. That means here vowels are in the second place. This is the first place, right? This is first place, this is second place, third place, fourth place, this is fifth place, this is sixth place. That means vowels are in second, sixth place. Vowels are to be arranged in first place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. Consonants we need to arrange. So that means number of ways is equal to first these 2 places filled with the vowels. They can be done 2 factorial into now 1 first place, third place, fourth place, fifth place in vowels only. That can be done 4 factorial. 2 factorial means 2, 4 factorial is 24. So answer is 48. That means first option is the right option. Yes, 2 vowels are arranged in 2 factorial ways, whereas 4 consonants can be arranged in 4 factorial respective places without changing their positions. So answer is 48. All of you understood? Okay, tomorrow we shall continue the class. Thank you. Tomorrow by 8:30. Thank you, one and all. Right, Sumant. Right, Suma. Avinash. All of you understood? It's very easy chapter. This is very easy chapter.